Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot Traveller. This is the Allure, so it does come with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with climate control that does spread throughout the whole of the vehicle. You've also got cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Howards are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that's with a virtual appointment using our Howards Click and Collect service or Howards Home Delivery, along with the traditional booking an appointment to come in and view a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you and have a good day.